Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, welcome back. We hope everybody is feeling all right tonight. If this is your first time coming to our channel, please don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and giving us a big thumbs up. So tonight's video is going to be about hair. I'm going to be doing my second child's hair, Malaysia. This is my three girls right here. So I'm going to be doing my first daughter's hair in the feed-in braids. And I wanted to share this tutorial for parents who have multiple girls. And it gets expensive taking them to the hair salon and getting hair done. So I learned how to do it at home so that I can save some money. So this style is really going to cost only about $5 because you need 3 packs of the Kankaline hair. And they're usually at the hair store for $3 for $5. So tune in, watch me do the feed-in braids, and I hope this does help you so that you all can do the feed-in braids on your daughters and save some money. First, we're going to start with fully washed and blow-dried hair. I prefer to blow-dry the hair before I braid. Some people do braid wet, but I prefer to blow-dry the hair first. This is the hair that I chose to use. I found this at my local hair store, 3 packs for $5. Now I am stretching the hair. I am pulling on both ends to make the hair uneven. When it comes out the pack, it is a straight cut. It's very blunt, so I'm pulling on each side to make it uneven. That way it looks more natural once you braid the hair in. Don't worry, guys. The baby did not get hurt or any hair in her face during this process. I started by parting her hair down the middle to create 2 even sides. You want to separate your hair before you start braiding. I separated mine into 7 pieces. I started off really small and each piece got bigger as we got to the end. I used the combination of these 3 products to apply to both sides of the hair before I started braiding. So you see I have already completed 3 big braids and 2 little braids. And then you also see I started a little braid on the side, and on the other side of the undone hair, there's another little braid. I'm going to put a big braid in the middle and connect the 2 little braids to that one big braid, and I'll show you guys step by step how I do it. Now I'm applying the gel to both sides of the hair. After applying the gel to both sides of the hair, I'm taking out a very tiny piece of the beginning of the braid, and then I'm going to take the first strand of hair, the smallest piece, and I like to make it as tiny as possible. So when you're braiding that onto the hair, you don't see a huge knot at the beginning of the braid. I actually braid down about 6 times before adding my second piece of hair. Taking that second piece, placing it over my left hand, putting half of it in my pinky to secure it, the other half twisting and going underneath my index finger. Now I'm going to let that hair stay in the pinky until I braid it once. Then I let it go. Now twice, my hand's back on the right side. I'm going to take that extra piece of hair, twist that piece, and place it underneath of my index finger. Then I'm going to braid. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now I'm going to add my third piece of hair. Again, I'm going to take it, place it over my left hand, half of it secured in my pinky, twist, place under my index finger. And I'm going to braid. Once, let it go. Twice, 3 times, 4 times. I'm back on the right side. Now I'm going to take that piece, twist it, and put it underneath of my index finger. Once you put the second piece under your index finger, your hair is secured in the braid. Now I'm braiding this one once and twice, and I'm adding my next piece of hair. Taking that, wrapping it around my left hand, underneath of my pinky, twist, place underneath of my index finger. And then I'm going to braid. Once, letting that second piece go for my pinky. Twice. Taking that second piece, twisting, putting underneath my index finger. And then I'm going to continue to braid. Once. Twice. Make sure you get all her natural hair. And I'm using my comb to make sure that none of the hair is wrapped around my finger. 3 times. It's getting thicker. 4 times. Again, make sure you have all of the natural hair in the braid. Adding my next piece of hair, again over my left hand, half of it in my pinky, twist, go underneath my index. Braiding once, letting that hair go out of my pinky. Twice. Again, I'm getting all the hair off, making sure it doesn't get tangled. Then I'm going to take that second piece, twist it, put it underneath of my index finger, and continue to braid. Once. Twice. Taking my 6th piece of hair, again, I'm wrapping it around my left hand, half of it in my pinky to secure it, twist with my right hand, place under the left index. And let this piece in the pinky hang until you complete 1 braid. Then I let it go. I am back on the right side, taking that second piece of hair, twisting it, putting it under my index finger. Now it's getting a little thick and it may get tangled, so just pull it out. Now I'm adding my small braid from one side, then I'm going to add my small braid from the other side, and I'm going to continue to braid. Make sure you get a good grip because it does get thick at the bottom. I'm adding my last piece of hair, again over my left hand in between my pinky, twisting it underneath of my index finger. And continue to braid. Twisting it, putting it underneath my index. Now all the hair is in. I'm using some more gel because now it's so thick and coarse. I'm putting the gel on there to moisturize it so it's a little bit easier to braid at the end. And then I'm just going to continue to braid this cornrow all the way down to the end. Make sure you get all of the hair, tuck all of her natural hair in. I'm boiling a pot of water on the stove so that I can dip the ends of the braids. This is the finished product. Please excuse my kitchen, guys, as I have a lot going on. I think I did a great job for this being my second time doing the feed-in braids. I hope this video is a big help to everyone. Make sure you guys give us a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much for watching.